Hello Crystal team. So today we are doing an unboxing video for 30 Executive Plus with GSM2 cover. So first we will unbox the 30 Executive Plus box. So here you can see we have installed a new crystal seal which will give you a good look that the system is directly coming from the factory. So let's open it now. So here you can see, as the system is opened, you can see a new warranty card which we are giving right now, so that you can give this warranty card to any of your customer. So this is the warranty card which we get. Now let's see what is there in the system. So these are the wall mounting screws. So this is the system. On the top of it we get the manual along with the system. So let's get that side. Now let's look at the system. So this is your system of 308 Executive Plus which you will get. So a very good packing is there. So this is the front look of your new 308 Executive Plus system. So let's take it out from the plastic cover. So this is how your new 308 system will look like. Now let's unbox your top cover. Using normal screwdriver you will be able to unbox. So you can see that the top cover is also with a new kind of premium paint that we have used. So now let's open the top cover. So this is your GSM top cover unboxing. So first you will see high gain antennas. If it is GSM2, then you will get one pair of high gain antenna, and here there will be your normal programming manual for programming the FCT, and this is your GSM top cover which you will get. So this is your final GSM top cover will look like this. Very premium quality GSM2 top cover. So these are the two high gain antennas. We'll show you how you can install these two high gain antennas. These are to lift the top cover up, and there is a small screw. You have to match the screw hole, and you just have to tight. So now this is the back plate. Every circuit, the whole PCB is inside this back plate. So we have given a very clean design, and there is a small notch where we can lift the back cover up. If we unscrew the side screws, there are two wires which will be coming outside. First will be the power supply, and the other one is to connect the junction wire. So now we will connect the input wire with the system. So this is the green connector of the power supply where you have to connect the input AC. These are the two red and black wires, and you have to unscrew the terminal block and just have to screw the input AC. That's it. After you screw the input AC, now you have to punch in the junction output cable in the PFT connector. उठाइए, साइड में घुमाइए. So first we will now we will plug in the device, and you can see that the heartbeat LED is on now, and the SIM is now we have to insert the SIM card. So we just have to insert the SIM card on the top cover like this, and the other one that's it. Your system will start running, and this is first time made in India product. So thank you.